Hello, I'm Supernova57, and welcome to Minecraft modding of, by, and for the noobs. So going into this, I don't really expect anything except some kind of basic knowledge of Minecraft. That could mean either you played it, or you watched someone else play it, and this is just so you understand the basic game mechanics. That's really going to help when you begin to mod. So go do that if you haven't, otherwise I'm going to continue. So what we're going to be covering in this series is how to mod Minecraft. So let's start with the basics. What is modding? Modding is kind of like what it sounds like. It's modifying Minecraft. So if you want to add emerald tools, or re-add rubies, or add new dimensions, that's all stuff you can do in modding. So it uses a language known as Java. Yes, I know it looks like coffee on the file, but yeah, that's just the way they decided to go. They're very punny. So the code is kind of intimidating, but I promise I will teach that in a future video before we get started actually coding. So to do this, you're going to need three main things. You're going to need something called the JDK, the Java Development Kit. You're going to need Eclipse. It's a software for editing code. And finally, you're going to need something called Forge MDK, Mod Development Kit. So to start off, we're going to go for JDK. To get the JDK, we just need to go to, just type in Oracle JDK. You're going to want Java SE Development Kit 8, because that's the one Minecraft is coded in. For anyone who's wondering, SE stands for Standard Edition. But if you do any of the others, it's probably not going to work, so just go with 8. So if you're on a Mac, you're going to want to get this one, Mac OS. And if you're Windows, you're probably going to get this one. I'm not 100% sure, but I'd go with this one just to be safe. So it is kind of a big file, so if you're almost out of space, maybe choose a different computer. Desktop computers tend to be better for this, but you can totally do it on a laptop. I don't think you have to buy a desktop or anything. So just click your respective link, review and accept, and click download. Allow. So it actually allows me to, but for you, it's going to appear differently because I have an account. It's going to actually force you to do this. It's really frustrating. So if you don't have an account, you click here. Oh, I'm going to review and I'm going to download it. Oh, wait, they're going to make you log in to your account. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create one. I already have one, so basically just put an email address, password, and that stuff. It really doesn't matter that much down here. They're never going to check. Hold on to this, though, in case you ever want to like download a different JDK. But yeah, basically do that, create account. It's going to send a confirmation email that you can confirm your account with. And once you do that, it's pretty easy from there. You just X off of there. And I would reload this page, type in your username and password, and when you click sign in, it will download. And so I already have it downloading because I already had an account, but it'll pop up down here. If you're on a Windows, it might pop up in a different spot, but on a Mac, it'll just pop up in your downloads. So once you have it and it's downloading, you can close off. And here we are. So we have it downloaded now. We're going to drag it onto our desktop, or you don't really have to, but I just like to. And double click it. It'll say JDK 8U261 or whatever version you have. Mac, Windows, whatever there. And it'll pop up, and you're going to want to open it. Just go through this. Type in your password. It'll probably ask you for it. And no, you do not get to see that. I am sorry, but I am secure. So it's gonna write the files. I actually already have this, so it might take a while for you guys. I'm not sure, but it shouldn't take very long. There we go. It's downloaded. You can click close and installed, and it should be there, but if you want to double check, you can go into terminal. On Windows, it's command prompt. I'm not sure if this trick works there. I think it does, though. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. So you're going to want to type in Java C. Don't ask me what the C stands for, I don't know. -version. And it should pop up with 1.8.0 underscore something. If you see that, that means that you probably successfully got it. So you can close that now. And congratulations, we're a third of the way there. We got the JDK. Next, we're going to get Eclipse. So JDK is kind of like it provides you all the tools to edit code. It provides like all the Java functions. But what we're gonna get next is gonna be like the interface. It's what you're gonna use to actually write the code. So to get Eclipse, just go to eclipse.org, and it'll say Eclipse Foundation. We'll go to More, Eclipse IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, basically big fancy word for code helper. You're gonna click Download. You're gonna click Download 64-bit or whatever it is. Just keep clicking Download until it downloads. You can close the window. I'm sorry if I'm talking fast. If there's anything you don't understand or you're having trouble on or you're stuck on it, please let me know in the comments below and I will help you the best that I can. While it's downloading, you can just kind of get rid of the JDK stuff because it's already on, just to declutter. And here this goes. It's just about downloaded. So we're going to open this up. Excuse me, sorry. Here we go, and just double click on the Eclipse installer. If it asks for permission ever, just let it. So here we go. By oomph. Fun fact, while this loads, Eclipse is actually open source and is contributed to by like volunteers a lot of the time. So it's actually like really nice. It's really well made. So of all these, none of these matter. You just want to get Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And so this is actually reference to Java stuff. So it doesn't really matter. Just leave it the way it is. It'll make it a lot easier. And just click install. I already have it, like the JDK. So it may go quicker for me, or it may not. So it'll probably come up with like a little orange alert, by the way, here. I bet. Oh, never mind. It may come up depending on like how many people are on the internet, like not your house, but like just how many people are downloading it. I think it'll come up with an orange alert. If that pops up, just wait; it'll go away. So you want to click accept here, and it will finish installing. Ta-da! And you're gonna click launch. And so what it'll do is they have a really nice new background. Unfortunately, the last one was spacey. I'm a space nerd. I loved that, but this is cool too. So you're gonna see this. And you're not gonna do anything actually right now. You're just going to this just shows you that Eclipse is here. Just click cancel, and just get rid of this stuff. And now we're 2/3 of the way through. Now this last one, it will get tricky, but the beginning's quite easy. So to get Minecraft Forge, we're gonna go to, unsurprisingly, Minecraft Forge. It'll pop up. Click on Minecraft Forge, and it'll probably pop up with 1.15.2 Minecraft. But we're going to be doing 1.16 because the Nether update's just awesome. So next, we're going to be clicking on the MDK, the Mod Development Kit. This stuff is like it for other purposes, but we just want this one. Now, wait for this. Do not just completely ignore this part. This is a total scam. No matter what it says here, no matter what it says about your computer, just ignore it and just skip there. And it's going to download a folder that says Forge 1. So we're going to put this over here just for now. Before we do anything with it, though, go to Finder. On Windows, just go into like your document system. I like to do it in documents. You don't really have to, but what we're going to do is we're going to create a new folder just for modding. It makes things just cleaner, in my opinion. So just do Minecraft modding. It's like in case you ever want to make more than one mod. So just do Minecraft modding, go in here, create a new folder, whatever you want your mod to be called. I know what I want mine to be called because I think I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to call mine Subterranea. You just name whatever yours is. And we're going to drag Forge 1 into there. Click in there. We're going to create a new folder called Eclipse. Now, the reason we're doing this is Eclipse needs a workspace, kind of like to do all of its operations, and it's a lot easier to create a workspace here and just have it like managed than it just kind of be lost in your computer. So we're just going to define it to be there next to Forge 1, and now we're going to close this. Oh no, we're not actually. Sorry. Here's where the tricky part comes in. Type in everything I type in exactly, otherwise things are not going to go as planned. Okay, so go into your terminal. On Windows, like I said before, it's called command prompt, but it's the same principle. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in CD, stands for change directory, space, and then we're going to grab Forge 1 and we're going to drag it in here. And this is kind of like the path. Like it kind of tells the computer where to find it, and you click enter. And now you'll see it pops up Forge 1 here. I think you can do the drag trick on Windows. If you can't, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see if I can help you. So we're going to type in now ls if you're on a Mac, and it'll tell you all the files that are needed to make sure we're in the right spot. On Windows, it'll be dir, directory. Ls stands for list, by the way. But you don't have to do this step, but it's just nice. So now we're going to get to the part where it's kind of tricky. So we're going to do /gradlu gen eclipse run. You can kind of see like there's like some Gradle files up there. Now this is what you do on a Mac. On Windows, you're actually going to omit the dot and the slash. You're just going to do gradlu gen eclipse runs. And then you're just going to click enter, and it's going to do a bunch of things for you that would have otherwise taken a frustratingly long time. This is actually probably going to take a while. It goes really quickly for me because I've already done this on the computer. But it's probably going to take somewhere like around like 7 to 9 minutes on yours, because I'm assuming you haven't done this before. So that once you have that one done, you're going to do another command. So that one just basically downloads all the Minecraft files and gets everything set up. So we're going to do, not CD, we're going to do /gradlu eclipse. And what this is going to do is this is going to set up this for Eclipse so that Eclipse can access it well. So while it's going really quickly. Oh, never mind, it's already done. It'll probably take a few minutes for you, like I said. If it takes a while, that's normal. If it takes like more than like a half hour, that's not normal. And if that happens, then something probably went wrong. So now that we have all that, we're almost done. We're going to close these, and we're going to open Eclipse wherever you put it. So open Eclipse. It may be in your applications. I put it down here. I already have this set up, but what you want to do, you want to click like browse, and you want to like go find your folder. So like, you know, go to my thing, I want documents, Minecraft modding, here. Oh, I know. You're going to want to click Eclipse, do that Eclipse thing you made, and open. And this is the Eclipse workspace. It's where it's going to store all of its files and stuff. So let's just wait for this to pop up. And here we go. So we're going to make this nice and big. So what you do now is you click import existing project. And if you lose this, by the way, we'll just get rid of that. If you need to, just go to import projects there. So in case you I'll have that. So you're going to click general and existing projects into workspace. So we're going to click next. And for this, we're going to go to, once again, browse and let it load. Oh no, actually no. We're going back to, you're going to click on whatever your mod name is. So for me, it's Subterranea. We're going to click on that, and we're going to click open. And what should pop up is Forge 1 and all this stuff. You're going to want to have that checked, and now you're going to click finish. And that's going to import it into Eclipse, and perfect. That is exactly what we're looking for. Here we have all of our stuff. This is how we're going to be modding. You can see here, if you actually want to read the Minecraft source code, you can go into, well, not there, but it's in here. Actually, it's in reference libraries. This is where the Minecraft source code is. But I'll explain all of that in the next couple videos, which are probably going to be like a crash course on Java. So everything's set up now, and we are finally ready to get started modding. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will answer as fast as I can. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time.